Hello students, in this video I'm going to just show you how you can quickly, once you've made a data table on a spreadsheet, is to quickly copy and paste it into a Word document so that you can then title it or incorporate it in a lab report. So just like anything, you can just highlight what you want to copy, hit Control C, now you've copied it, open up a blank document, it could be a Word or a Google Doc, and just hit Control V for paste, and now you have your file right there. And then you can take this table, and if you want, you can add borders to the table so it looks a little, or basically grid lines so it looks a little more like a table. You can save it as a PDF, so you can open it up, save it as a PDF. So on the desktop, save this, save it as a PDF, export it, open it up, and there you have it as a PDF. I like doing it in docs because if I want, I can take this and I can type into it. Usually with tables you want to type above, so one of the things you might want to do is bring this table down, and then you can type, table 1 and just describe what it is. Volumetric and mass, measurements of unknown metal. And there you go. Now you can incorporate this into your lab report. So I hope this video helps, and let me know if you have any questions.